Welcome to the Business Day. I'm Kalisha Williams. Tourism in the Caribbean is facing a new era of uncertainty, from geopolitical tensions to economic slowdowns and climate-related disruptions. Regional leaders are being forced to rethink how the sector survives future shocks. Here in Jamaica, Tourism Minister Ed Bartlett says the answer lies in deeper regional collaboration.
Fresh from chairing a high-level meeting in Antigua and Barbuda last week, Tourism Minister Ed Bartlett says the Caribbean can no longer afford to treat tourism as an individual island business, but as a unified regional priority.
The real big outcome of it is the determination that the wealth of tourism, which relies significantly on the supply side, must be owned in essence by the Caribbean people.
The call comes as Bartlett pushes CARICOM to formally recognize tourism as the region's single largest economic activity. In a sit-down with TVJ News on Tuesday, he acknowledged the vulnerability within the industry globally, particularly amid economic instability and international conflicts. However,
so what then is the answer for us is collaboration. And it is the heart of being able to sustain in difficult times, is to collaborate. It's to build relationships and to enhance competition rather than competition. And we join with each other. So part of my discussions with our Caribbean neighbors is how do we collaborate? How do we converge around these common areas and to build capacity to withstand disruptions such as we're having now and will have in the future.
There have long been concerns that too much revenue continues to leak out of the Caribbean economies. And as regional leaders look to build out capacity, there are also calls for governments to invest more in human capital to better shield the industry from external shocks.
And that for us is the center stage. How do we build out that capacity among our people themselves to add greater value and to be able to innovate more, to create new products as well, and then to be able to offer the quality service that is at the hallmark of tourism globally.
And looking ahead, Minister Bartlett says Jamaica is well on its way.
To the stock market now, the JC index advanced by 1,691 points today, while the junior market index declined by 42 points. The winners include Iron Rock Insurance Company, Omni Industries, Berger Paints Jamaica, Kintyre Holdings, and First Rock Real Estate Investments, while the losers were led by Express Catering, Main Event Entertainment Group, Cygnus Credit Investments, 8.5% preference, Cargo Handlers, and Sagicor Real Estate X Fund. 17 stocks traded firm. To currency trading now, the foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $158.84. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $115.60. The pound is going for $212.23, while the euro is selling for an average $187.82. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Kalisha Williams. International news is next.